Okay, in this video for lesson 9, we're going to talk about example 2, and we're going to again find the constant of proportionality and then use that to write an equation to find the rest of the information in the tables that are on this problem. So the first thing we'll review is that our constant can be found by dividing y by x. And then once we have our constant for each table in this problem, we can write an equation y equals kx. For both of these tables today, we're going to say that the ears of corn are x and the cost is y. So our constant will be the cost per ear of an ear of corn. On the first one, for Al's produce stand, we'll find k by taking 1.5 for y divided by 6 for x, and this will give us 0.25. Then we'll use that to write our equation. Y equals 0.25x. Okay, so that's the equation we're going to use for the rest of the problem about Al's produce stand. In order to find the cost for 14 ears of corn, we're going to write y equals 0.25 times the x is 14. And when we put that in our calculator, we will get 3.5, or if we write it as a dollar amount in the box, $3.50. We'll do the same thing to find the cost for 21 ears of corn. Y equals 0.25 times 21, which equals 5.25, or $5.25. Now to solve the last one, we have to work a little bit backwards. We have the y, which is 50, equals 0.25, and then we're looking for x. In order to solve for x, we have to divide by 0.25. In this case, 0.25x means that those two numbers are multiplied together. To solve for x, we need to divide by 0.25. So we're going to divide by 0.25 on both sides, which will give us x is equal to 200. We can buy 200 ears of corn for $50 at Al's produce stand. On the other side, we're going to do the same thing for Barbara's produce stand. We're going to calculate k by taking the y, 3.12, divided by 13, which will give us 0.24. And then we'll use that constant to write our equation. Y equals 0.24x. And then we will use that equation to fill in the rest of the boxes. To find the cost for 14 ears of corn, we're looking for our cost, or y. Y equals 0.24 times 14, which equals 3.36, or in the box, $3.36. We find the cost for 21 ears the same way. Y equals 0.24 times 21. And when I put that in my calculator, I get 5.04, or $5.04. Again, when we go to find the ears of corn in the third section, that is looking for the x. So we use the y of 49.92 equals 0.24 times the x that we're looking for. In order to solve for x, we have to divide by 0.24, which gives us x equals 208. So I can buy 208 ears of corn for $49.92 at Barbara's produce stand. We look at our problem, we've got all of our equations, we've shown all of our work, and we know that we would get a better price if we bought our ears of corn at Barbara's stand.